The land of Cappadocia is known in the whole world. There, the hot air balloons fly above a place of rich history and culture. However, did you know that the name of the land, Cappadocia, actually means land of the beautiful horses? That's right. Since it has a remarkable history, we decided we would not leave without visiting it on horseback. There is a proverb saying that the horses give us the wings we lack. On the Arabian horses that we were riding, for sure we felt that way. The horses from this breed have so much strength that they will go uphill with almost no effort. It is as if they truly have wings. After riding through the magic valleys, we came upon a desert oasis. It was a place where both horses and men had well-deserved rest. Then we continued our journey uphill and downhill. The trail was difficult, however, the horses did not show sign of tiredness. That was the moment when I could truly understand why this breed of horses is so well appreciated. They are perfectly adapted for such difficult trails. In the end, we reached a place from where we could see far to the distant horizon. A place of rare beauty. I will leave you now to enjoy the rest of the ride.